Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to JJV Homestead Study. I'm gonna try and pick some corn today, and this is a less happy event than I was expecting in the beginning of the year when I planted this corn. It looks like a herd of wild pigs went through there and just ate everything up, but that is not what happened. Nothing except for wind and rain went through here, and I'm sitting here begging for rain. But the only 2 times we got rain since this started growing has been torrential, just crazy windburst storms. And look, it laid it down. It's like the wind just comes straight down right here and just nails my corn. I mean, a lot of other people got corn around here and it looks fine. And mine, it all just got laid down. And I held this corn. And I fertilized it. And I watered it. So, anyway, I am going to get something out of this. I mean, some of these ears are just uninspiring. But there's something in there. And I'm going to pick them. And I'm going to shuck them. And we're going to get something out of this. I'm telling you, man, get something out of it. And see, there ain't much on there, but I am going to do something with this. All right, y'all, I got work to do, and this is gonna be much more harder than it should be. All right, goodbye. All right, that's the sweet corn harvest right here. It's should be like 3 or 4 times that, and these ears are terrible. So whatever I get, I get. It's not a total failure, but it ain't great. All right, this is the corn I got. I'm gonna jar this tomorrow. I'm tired. That's the leftover cobs. I'm worn out. Enough for today. I'm gonna jar this instead of freezing it. All right, making up some jars of corn. Got a bowl like this and another bowl full. Got a pretty decent amount of corn for what I had. I mean, I should have like 3 or 4 times this amount, but hey, it's a harvest, and this is gonna go far to giving us food for the upcoming year. This is some good stuff. I mean, it's pretty tasty. Good. All right.